Hey guys, welcome to another video of SM Solution. So today's video is going to be actually a class video how I do use level 2. A lot of you guys asked me to do another video for the level 2. So I'm going to show you a live example just before playing the video and just to show you exactly how I did use level 2 to decide to not enter to a stock. I just want to explain you actually the basic of level 2 and just stay till the end because I will show you a live video of the level 2 and how crazy the level 2 was and how it actually did help me to understand that there was a lot of buyers. So there was a big support around 238, so 238 to 237, sorry. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you that at the end. I have like a video of like 2 minutes. It was actually crazy. It was with the ticker that you see right now, FCEL. Just before playing the video, I just want to explain you basic stuff. So for those who don't know, this is a level 2, okay? So you have at the left you have the bid and at the right you have the ask. So you have the buyers and the sellers. So you have the price. So at 246 there's actually a lot of people. So it's not 87 shares, you have to add 2 zeros. So there's 8,700 shares at 246. There's another one here. So everything in yellow is at 246. So you can see there's a lot of buyers. But if you see on the other side, on the ask side, the sellers section, so you see at 247, everything at 247 is yellow. Look at that. You have 261 here, 157, 150. So you know that there's a much sellers around 246 to 247. So there's more chance that the stock will go down. So this is how I use level 2 to give me an idea who's winning between buyers and sellers. And by the way, guys, the colors doesn't mean nothing. We use colors. Level 2, we have colors to give us an idea how many people there's at a certain price. So everything in yellow is at 246 on the bid side. Everyone at 245 is going to be in the green. Everyone at 244 is going to be at blue. So like this, in a fraction of a second, I can see there's a lot of buyers and sellers between 246 and 247. And who's winning right now? You can see that the sellers are coming more, they are more aggressive to sell their shares. So this is a basic like explanation of level 2. For those who don't know my screen, this is my time and sell. So the moment that there's an order fail between a buyer and a seller, you're gonna see it here. The only thing that I can tell you, be careful, because there's a lot of people that put orders to like scare people. To give you an example, if you see that the price is at 246 and 247, and you see that at, I don't know, 280, there's like, you see 1,000 shares. So times, you have to add 2 zeros at 1,000. So you have 100,000 shares at 280 example. Sometimes people put big order to scare buyers. Like this, the stock can go down and they can make money. And this order at 280 will not get filled. So you have to understand that level 2 are orders that are not filled yet. So keep in mind, to have a confirmation that an order is filled, you have to see it on your time and sell. So another example can be a buyer want the stock to go up to make money. He's gonna put like at, I don't know, 220, like an order, even more ridiculous, at $2, 180, like far from the price, a big order to scare sellers. Like this, sellers will go long and the stock will go up and he will make money. So there's a lot of fake order on level 2, so you have to keep in mind that. So to see if an order is confirmed, you have to see it on time and sell. So you're gonna see the video right now that I think it was actually on Thursday with the ticker FCEL. You're gonna see that those order at 261, you're gonna see them like go less and less because they are there's buyers that want them, and you will see it on the time and sell. Anyway, so I'm gonna play the video and I will show you in live how the level 2 was actually crazy for this ticker and why I decided to not short at 2 here. You can see at 238, I will talk a lot about 238. Just to give you an idea, I was supposed to go at 240, but I saw that at 238 there was more buyers. So I wanted to see break this 238 to go short. It never did. So I'm gonna play the video. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to drop a like, and if you have any question, guys, you can always leave them on the comments or just DM me on Instagram. Have a good one, guys. Hey guys, welcome to another video of SM Solution. I'm looking at the ticker FCEL. A lot of stuff going on. Look at the level 2, guys. There's so many buyers right now at 240. A lot of buyers. So just to give you an idea, this is, you have to add 2 zeros at each number. So right now, my key point, I think that this thing's gonna be rejected. Like, you're gonna see a lot of sellers at around 245, 243-ish, like the resistance. So if it can go below 238, I will be interesting. It will be actually really interesting. Why not 240? The reason is simple. I'm looking at the stock since like 8:30, and at 240 there's a lot of buyers. A lot. You can see right now at 241 a lot of buyers are in. So like I said, you have to add 2 zeros. So there's a lot of shares traded with this ticker. So I'm looking at 238. I think that 238 is gonna be a key area to go short. So let me stop talking. Let me just locate some shares. And the shares to locate are so cheap, like 400 is $6. So I'm in my small account. You see at 240, guys, how many buyers there are? Look at that. It's actually crazy. So this is how you use level 2. So I don't want to go short anymore. I'd rather see who's gonna win between the buyers and sellers. Look at that. Look at 239 now. How many buyers? Now sellers are coming at 240. I said 238 is gonna be a nice area, but honestly, too risky for a small account, so I'd rather just wait. I have a big sellers at 239. Okay, sellers are winning right now. And the moment I said that, you see, now buyers are in. So there's a lot of thing going on level 2. This is how people use level 2. Level 2 is, you cannot just look at level 2. You have to use it as an indicator with other indicator. So I wanted to go short at below 238. So 237, around 237. But with the level 2, I saw that there was a lot of buyers at 239. So now look at that, 242. Now the question, do you think is gonna bring 243? Yeah, 244 sales are coming now. So really tough to trade this stock, to be honest with you. Really risky because this thing is just all over the place. Like, it's moving so fast between price, and you can see there's so many buyers and sellers, and they are ready to be more aggressive just to win. So I'd rather just have a clear confirmation. So now I have a nice here, 238, still a key area, just to show you. So you see that 238, like I said, is a nice area to go short. So can it go below 238? I don't know. But I mean, also to short, another point is going to be 249. If it can touch the VWAP. And look at that, guys. Look at level 2. go in and short right now, but the thing is it broke 243, so this thing can be now the support. So I rather wait and see who's gonna win. You see how buyers are crazy right now. 500, 116. This is all at 244. And now they are at 245. Look at 245. 400, 170, 180. So 246 still going up. I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a lot of sellers at 249, 48 actually also. So 249, like I said, there's a lot of people 249. So this is how people use level 2, guys. So I'm not getting in because it's too tight. The fight is really tight between buyers and sellers. So I'd rather see one side win. Like this I can actually join the side. But yeah, that's it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause the video. If I find something else, I will put back the video and show you the trade. But so far you can see here on the top right of your screen, I have $0. I did not trade any stock. I was looking at a couple of them, but nothing I like. So I will come back to you if I see something else.